So today I want to talk about this solar street light. That's right, the seller sent this over to me to test out, and I'm glad he did because I needed a little extra light back by my carport. Now, the nice thing about this setup is that it is completely solar power, so you can mount it anywhere, even though you don't have any electric to it. That means you can put it on the side of a house, a barn, a pole, or even a carport. Now, the panel itself is large, and the LED lights are going to be bright. Real simple. You have the hardware that comes in the box. You also have the mount and the pole. Then you have the unit itself. The last thing it comes with is a remote. And I'm going to get this set up right now, show you how simple it is to get it on my carport. And then tonight, I'm going to light up the area and show you how bright it is. So let's go. And just like that, this light fixture is installed, and I am excited to see how bright it's going to be tonight. And there you have it. This is the solar street light that I just installed on my carport this afternoon. And let me tell you what, I am blown away about the quality and how bright this actually is. You could see how far it cascades into the darkness, and it just makes wherever it's touching completely daylight. Now, there is multiple different functions on the street light itself that you could use with your very own remote. So you're able to go from a daylight mode like right now, or a kind of more like a dull, dim nightlight mode. And then if you were on daylight and you wanted to change the dimness, you could also self-dim it, which is another nice feature to have. And then your other options on the remote, you could set a timer to 6 hours or even 8 hours. So it will automatically come on at night, and then it'll shut off after those times. Now, the last feature that I do like about this solar street light is you could set the motion detection on it. So that means when you get within 10 meters of the unit itself, it's automatically going to go on. So now you don't even need the remote. Like if you're going back to your carport or a back outbuilding, it will automatically come on and illuminate the area. And let me tell you what, it speaks for itself at night because it looks like it's daylight in this area. So if you are in the market for a solar street light, think about picking up one of these. I know I am completely satisfied with it. Full disclosure though, I do make a small commission off the sale of every one of these units. Go out and grab your new solar street light today and illuminate your area. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.